Have you heard that before? That Jamaicans, Jamaicans, some people say Jamaicans, that a lot of them came from Nigeria, some from Ghana, and inside Nigeria, from the southern part, some are Igbos, some are Yorubas. And that is why certain Jamaican words originated from Igbo and Yoruba words. I want to take you through Igbo cultures and language, as well as some other cultures from Africa, were key in the forming of the Jamaican patois language and culture during the transatlantic slave trade. The Jamaican patois is a colorful mix of several languages passed down from our colonial past and Igbo, Efik, and Yoruba ancestors. Now, here are a few words that will amaze you. Number one, akara. They also call it akara. This is derived from the Yoruba akara and points to a type of street food, bean cakes. Ato, too, ato. This is derived from Igbo word ato, meaning chewing stick. But the Jamaicans, the spell it as A-T-T-O-O, ato, but Igbos, A-T-U. Number three, big eye. You know what is called big eye? Igbo say anyuku. Anyuku is derived from the Igbo word anyuku, meaning greedy. Somebody is greedy. When an Igbo man tells you big anyuku, it's trying to say you are greedy. Number five, bokra. This is an Efik one from Mbakara, mean white man. And number six, chink, C-H-I-N-K, C-H-I-N-C-H, chink. It is still the same thing. Igbos call it chinchi, C-H-I-N-C-H-I, meaning bedbug. We call it the same thing as Jamaica. They call it chink. It's not an English word. Now, number seven, country Igbo, from Igbo, Pronchi, or Dorata, or Pisana. This one is not very clear. Let's go to another one. D. It's derived from Igbo word. Okay, if you go to Jamaica, D-E or D-E-H, there is derived from Igbo word with adverbial meaning. This is clerk from Onuzo, mouth of the door, meaning doorway. Then number 10, hard head. Hard head. You normally hear hard head. Isike. Okay, Jamaican call it hard head. You see that this translation is directed from Igbo pronunciation. Hard head. Isike. From Isike pronunciation in Igbo. Somebody that is stubborn, rude, obstinate. Then 11, himba. Jamaica say himba. This is from an Igbo word. Mba, yam root, a type of yam. Rajania cordata. If you know about species of yams. Now, kaba kaba, derived from Yoruba word and akan, ewi, and it means unreliable, inferior, worthless. Remember, we were telling you about Jamaican words that are derived from this our side, Africa, Ghana, the Accra of Ghana, mainly, but our main focus is the ones from Nigeria. Now, number 13, mumu. Mumu means, it comes from Nigeria. I think it should be a Yoruba word. And it's like somebody that is slow in the head. So I don't know whether it's the same with Ode in Yoruba, but it's like somebody without sense. Now, number 15, okra. Jamaicans call it okra, but it is from an Igbo word called okro. You know okro. You know okra soup. Then you know obono soup. Okra. You know, understand what I mean? The number 16, poto poto. Poto poto. You know when you mash poto poto or your car move through poto poto, you mash poto poto, you get dirty. It's from a Yoruba word, opoto opoto. Mpoto mpoto meaning mud. A muddy. Anyone you call it muddy. Now 17, still Jamaican words that originated from Igbo, Yoruba, and some others in Africa. Red Igbo, Ebo, E-B-O-E. This is from an Igbo, a person with a light skin color or mulatto of mixed percentage. Now, number 18, you hear say, S-E, in Jamaica. From Igbo, you hear say, just like said, which usually follows with a quote. Also, the Akan people use it, say, and English say. Igbos will say, or say. And you hear the Igbo words, so. Igbo meaning only. From Jamaica, too. Now, number 20, we are rounding up. Ono. From Igbo language, Ono, meaning you people. Ono, you people. This is just few we want to share today. I want to tell you that there are many more. The Jamaicans are not there originally based on what we had. There are people here that were sold during slave trades. And we actually related. Igbos, Yoruba, Akran in Ghana. I think these are the major people that formed that you see bulk of them in Jamaica. Jamaicans were originated mainly from this place, and the impact is still seen with the languages and pronunciations and several other things. So we are related with the Jamaicans. Anyway, this is gonna be short. This is where I'll round up on this one. Tell us more that you know. We hope Jamaicans will come and comment on this, and let's expand on it. And Nigerians who know more should add on the comment section. This is Igbo Area TV. This TV is not just for Igbos, but Black Americans whose origin are from Igbo land. And that is why we speak in English so that they can understand. Bye-bye for now.